Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. The court is in session in 4 cases. First case is cause number 23CCCR 0258. Second case is cause number 23CCCR 1456. Third case is cause number 23CCCR 1457. And the fourth case is cause number 23CCCR 1556. All 4 cases are styled the state of Texas versus DeCadron Darkees Scott. Mr. Scott, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Scott?
Doing good.
That's good. Mr. Scott, you're represented in your case by your attorney Lori Perazzo. Ms. Perazzo, how are you doing? And the state is represented in this case by attorney Andrew Hubel. Attorney Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, and yourself?
Oh, I'm doing fine, thanks, Max. Now, Mr. Hubel, I have before me motions to dismiss in each one of these cases. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. The state is dismissing these cases on the basis of the fact that the felony case was disposed of and defendant received 5 years TDC time, as well as the fact that the defendant has agreed to forfeit the firearm in the UCW case.
Okay, now, Mr. Scott, I have before me in clause number 23CCCR 1456, a motion to forfeit the weapon. You recognize this motion? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, before you sign this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in this document? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Scott, the court is going to grant this motion to forfeit the weapon to the Beaumont Police Department. Mr. Scott, this will conclude your cases. Your attorney will be given a copy of your dismissals. You can follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Barrazo, this is your only cases, so you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
No, she wanted.
Okay, okay, Mr. Hall. In this case, this is cause number 23CCCR 2450. Case of Style State of Texas versus Aaron D. Hall. Mr. Hall, is that your full name? Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Hall? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. I'm Mr. Hall. The state, I have a motion before me to dismiss your case. State, you dismissing the case?
Yes, Your Honor, based on the time he received on the felony and PRP.
Okay, so Mr. Hall, the court is going to sign this dismissal. Once this dismissal is signed, you'll be able to get a copy at the jail, the bailiff, that it will be transported with you when you go back to the jail.
Okay.
Okay, so this case is being dismissed. You can follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day. I don't think we have. We not